So we'll start with the feet hip width, knees relaxed, hips in line, shoulders back and down. Imagine the string from the crown up towards the sky, but keep the chin parallel. Place one hand on the chest, one just below the ribs. Breathing in and out through the nose, aiming the in-breath to the lower hand. Bring the arms down. We're going to shake into that left wrist. Then up to the elbow and all the way to the shoulder. Onto the right wrist and the elbow and the shoulder and both arms together. And standing on the right leg, we'll shake into that left ankle, up to the knee, and all the way to the hip. Onto the other side, shaking into the ankle first, and then the knee, and up to the hip. Bring the feet back to hip width. So bring the arms up as we inhale. Exhale, sweep the arms back as we bend the knees. Just an exhale down, inhale up. Just as dynamic and as fast as feels good for you. So remember, nothing should hurt. So if it doesn't feel good on the knees or the back, then just stand this one out. And one more. And coming back to standing. So balance pose. We'll work on cross crawl. We'll stand on the left leg. Bring the right leg up, bending the knee, belly button squeezed in, finding that focus point. If we can hold steady there, we're taking the left hand to the outside of the knee. Then twist towards that bent leg. Then bring the other arm up, palm facing forwards. And maybe even look to the hand. And coming down, do the other side. So standing on the right, we'll bring the left leg up. So try and lengthen through the standing leg all the way up through the crown. Taking the right hand to the outside of the knee. And we'll twist at the waist. And when you're ready, bring the arm up, palm facing forward so the shoulders open. And if you can, look to the hand. So remember, just wherever you're at, try it step by step. And we'll come down. So we'll do one more each side. So you can do it the same again with the knee bent, or if you want to, straighten that right leg. Take hold of the toes. So we'll twist at the waist, bring the arm up, and look to the hand. Then breathe. Going down, so one more on the other side. So again, up to you, bent leg or straight. So either taking the knee to the hand to the outside of the knee, or straighten the leg, holding onto the big toe. And just in your own time, twist at the waist. Bring the arm up and look to the hand. And coming down. So we'll do a couple of high lunges. So first one, we'll start with the right leg forward, left leg back. Both sets of toes facing forwards, the back heel is up. Front knees bent. So hands to the chest. You can always stay here if you want to. Or we're going to add a twist. So we'll bring the left arm up, take the right one behind. So we're aiming towards the left thigh or just around the back. Again, make sure you do not strain, nothing should hurt. And then we'll come out and we'll do the other side. So be left leg forward, right leg back. So remember, both sets of toes facing forwards on those train tracks. So the feet are at hip distance, width-wise, and then as far apart as feels comfortable for you. So the right arm is up, left hand behind, aiming for the thigh or just round the back. Here, carrying on up. So we'll do one more each side, and this time we're going to turn it into a crescent lunge, a low crescent lunge, or just staying in the basic lunge. So left foot forward, right foot back. Either staying there, hands to the chest, or bring the arms up. If that feels okay, looking up to the sky, sinking into that front leg and arching the back. And coming on up, one more. So right leg forward, left leg back. Get settled into the pose, and you decide if you stay here or bring the arms up, looking up to the sky, maybe arching the back, sinking down through the middle, and breathe. And carefully coming back up. And we'll finish with the good posture and the breathing. And take the shoulders back and down, crown to the sky, one hand on the chest and just below the ribs, and just see if you can feel the heartbeat with that upper hand. And we'll bring the arms down, and we're all done.